Good morning, all of you. I hope you are enjoying well at home and doing well. And to make your day productive, I am here with an online quiz to brush up your knowledge on crop production and management, chapter 1 from class 8. But before we begin the quiz, let's have a look into the instructions first. You have to follow this instruction before we begin the quiz. Okay? First of all, take a notebook and pen or pencil, whatever you want. Okay, or you can take blank page also, because you have to note down the correct answer in your notebook or that piece of paper. Okay, the time I have given for each question is 1 minute or 60 seconds. Okay, and each question carries 1 mark. It means 20 questions, 20 mark and 20 minutes. Here we go. All the best and try to give your best. Okay, the first question. 2,4-D is option A pesticides, option B weedicides, option C fungicides, option D weedicides. You have to select from this. Here is the timer. Okay, it will be of 60 seconds. I repeat the question. 2,4-D is a blank. Pesticides, B insecticides, C fungicides, or D weedicides. Time's up. The next question. Question number 2. Seed drill is used to. Option A, to sow the seeds, B, to remove the weeds, C, remove the pest, or D, mix manure in the soil. I repeat the options. Option A, to sow the seeds, option B, remove the weeds, option C, remove the pest, or option D, mix manure in the soil. The question is, seed drill is used to. You have 10 seconds left. You can answer. Time's up. Question number 3. Examples of kharif crop are. You have to select from the following options. Option A, wheat and maize. Option B, gram and maize. Option C, paddy and maize, and option D, all of these. Question is very easy. Select carefully. Example of kharif crops are. Option A, wheat and maize. Option B, gram and maize. Option C, paddy and maize, or option D, all of these. And if you are new here, then subscribe to Amending Oneself, because every week I will be with new quiz. Time's up. Question number 4. Wheat and gram belong to. You have to select from these options. Option A, rabi crops. Option B, kharif crops. Option C, both of these. Option D, none of these. Very easy question, but select carefully. I repeat the question. Wheat and gram belong to. Option A, rabi crop. Option B, kharif crop. Option C, both of these, or option D, none of these. Four option, easy question. Time's up. Question number 5. Kharif crops are sown in. I repeat the question. Kharif crops are sown in. Option A, March or April. March and April. B, May, June. C, October, November, or D, any time? Very simple question, little bit tricky, huh? Kharif crop are sown in option A, March, April, option B, May, June, option C, October, November, option D, any time. Time's up. Question number 6. Weedicides are used to destroy option A, insects, option B, weeds, option C, pests, or option D, none of these. I repeat the question. Weedicides are used to destroy option A, insects, option B, weeds, option C, pests, or option D, none of these. I repeat the question again. Weedicides are used to destroy. Select from the following. Option A, insect, weeds, pests. Time's up, sorry. Question number 7. Separating grains from chaff is called option A, winnowing, option B, threshing, option C, fallow, or option D, harvesting. Separating grain from chaff is called option A, winnowing, option B, threshing, option C, fallow, or option D, harvesting. I repeat the options. Option A, winnowing, option B, threshing, option C, fallow, or option D, harvesting. Time's up. Question number 8. Combines are used for option A, sowing of seeds, option B, harvesting the crop, option C, threshing, or option D, harvesting and threshing, both. I repeat the options. Option A, sowing of seeds, option B, harvesting the crops, option C, threshing, or option D, harvesting and threshing, both. I repeat the question. Combines are used for. Simple question. For answers, select one. Time's up. Question number 9. Weeds are the option A, main crop plants, option B, insect and pest, option C, unwanted plant and growing along unwanted plant growing along the crop, option D, chemical substances. I repeat the options. Main crop plants, B, insect and pests, C, unwanted plants growing along the crop, D, chemical substances. I repeat the question. Question number 9. Weeds are the. Select from the following. Time is going to. Question number 10. Watering the crop is called option A, sowing, option B, manuring, option C, tiling, or option D, irrigation. I repeat the question. Watering the crop is called option A, sowing, option B, manuring, option C, tiling, or option D, irrigation. 4 options, 1 answer. You have to select correct one. Easy question An easy answer. Watering the crop is called. Select from the following. 10 seconds left. Option A, sowing. Option B, manuring. Option C, tiling. Or option D, irrigation. Time's up. Question number 11. The first step before growing crop is. Select from the following. Option A, sowing. Option B, preparation. Option C, weeding. Or option D, irrigation. I repeat the question. The first step before growing crop is blank of the soil. I repeat the question again. The first step before growing crops is blank of the soil. Option A, sowing. Option B, preparation. Option C, weeding. Or option D, irrigation. 13 seconds left. 10, 5, 3, 2, 1 and time's up. Question number 12. Damaged seed would blank on top of water. Option A, shrink. Option B, float. Option C, both A and B. Or option D, none. Very simple question. Damaged seed would blank on top of water. Option A, shrink. Option B, float. Option C, both A and B. Or option D, none. I repeat the question. Damaged seed would float, blank on top of water. Question number 13. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight, blank and blank from the soil are essential. I repeat the question. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight, blank and blank from the soil are essential. Option A, water and nutrient. Option B, money and labor. Option C, animal and air. Or option D, none. For option, select from the A, B or C, D. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight, blank and blank from the soil are essential. 5 seconds left. Select one. Very easy question. Time's up. Question number 14. Blank is a modern method of irrigation. Select from the following. Option A, Dhekli. Option B, drip irrigation. Option C, chain pump. Or option D, mode. Option A, Dhekli. Option B, drip system. Option C, chain pump. Or option D, mode. Blank is a modern method of irrigation. 4 options, easy question. Choose odd one. Option A, preparation of soil. Option B, sowing. Option C, adding manure and fertilizer. Or option D, 2,4-D. Question number 15. Choose odd one out. Option A, preparation of soil. Option B, sowing. Option C, adding manure and fertilizer. Or option D, 2,4-D. Very simple question. Choose odd one. A, preparation of soil. B, sowing. C, adding manure and fertilizer. D, 2, 4, D. Question number 16. Blank is a traditional method of irrigation. Blank is a traditional method of irrigation. Option A, sprinkler system. Option B, drip system. Option C, Rahat, or option B, all of these. I repeat the options. Option A, sprinkler system. Option B, drip system. Option C, all of these, or option C, Rahat, or option D, all of these. Sorry. I repeat the option again. Option A, sprinkler system. Option B, drip system. Option C, Rahat, or option D, all of these. Time's up. Question number 17. In which of the following statement is correct? I repeat the question. In which of the following statement is correct? A fertilizer is an organic substance. Option A, a fertilizer is an organic substance. B, fertilizers providing less humus to the soil. C, fertilizer is made from plant and animal waste. Or D, none of above. Read the question carefully and options too. You have to select the correct one. I am giving you 10 extra seconds for this question because question is very long, that's why. Okay, 10 extra seconds for these questions only. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Question number 18. The soil fertility can be replenished. I repeat the question. The soil fertility can be replenished. Option A, by repeated growing of crop. B, by using chemical fertilizer. C, by practicing crop rotation. Or D, all of above. I repeat options. Option A, by repeating growing of crop, by repeated growing of crop. B, by using chemical fertilizers. C, by practicing crop rotation. Or D, all of above. Question is, the soil fertility can be replenished. You have to select from the following. Replenished by. Time's up. Question number 19. The monsoon season in our country is during the months. I repeat the question. The monsoon season in our country is during these months. Option A, April to December. Option B, June to October. Option C, November to March. Option D, January to May. I repeat the options. Option A, April to December. Option B, June to October. Option C, November to March. Or option D, January to May. Very simple question, but think before giving the answer. Think twice. Question number 20 and the last question. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before tiling because. Option A, less manure is used. Option B, it helps in proper mixing of manure with soil. Option C, it saves labor and time. Or D, none of the above. I repeat the options. Option A, less manure is used. B, it helps in proper mixing of manure with soil. C, it saves labor and time. Or D, none of the above. I repeat the question. Question is, sometimes manure is added to the soil before tiling because Select from the following. Time's up, and here our quiz is end. Okay, I thank you very much for the watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this quiz, and the answer key will be available in the comment box as well as in the description after 30 minutes of this quiz. Okay, till then, stay tuned and have a nice day. Thank you for watching, guys.